Hi guys, once again we are bringing you another set of the coolest gadgets from AliExpress and Amazon sites, which helps you to choose the right products easily. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell. So let's get started. Number 1, Robotime Rokr Marble Run Set 5 Kinds 3D Wooden Puzzle DIY Model Building Block Kits Assembly Toy Gift for Teens Adult Night City. Quantity of items in set, 294 Sci-Fi, Magic Warning, small parts not for children under 3 years old. Gender, unisex. Model number, LGA01. Type, Marble Night City theme, fantasy and sci-fi material. Wood brand name, Robotime. Origin, mainland China. Recommend age, 12+ white 18+ certification, C. Number 2, Smart Control Electric Luxury Hot Bucket Style Electric Towel Warmer Machine Towel Warmer Bucket. Type, Other. Origin, mainland China. Warranty, 1-year. Towel rack type, double after-sales service, online technical support, on-site training, return and replacement material. Other style, fashion project solution capability, total solution for projects, others application, hotel design style, modern place of origin, China surface finishing, ABS PP PBT feature, heater. Keywords, towel warmer bucket capacity, 40L color, white usage, home hotel spa CTMOQ, 500 PCS size, 395335526 certificate, CFCC ETLROHS power. 600W voltage, 2.9A 220V function, disinfection, sterilization, and heating. Number 3, will the hand be hit, and will it be life-threatening when hit? Answer, please see the video of the main picture of the baby. There will be lightning strikes when you are close to the Tesla coil. It feels very weak when you hit your hands, similar to ants scratching, but there is a certain temperature feeling, without any danger to life, but keep away from flammable and explosive materials. Number 4, SAER SUNTOUR NCX Suspension Seat Post Bicycle Saddle Rod MTB Dropper Seat Post 35,027.2 28.6 30.8 31.6 33.9 mm Mountain Bike Canote. Mountain bike seat post suspension bike suspension seat posts 28.6 mm suspension seat post SAER SUNTOUR SP12 NCX suspension seat post bike NCX seat post with suspension bicycle suspension seat post SUNTOUR NCX suspension seat suspension bike seat post. Ranking keywords. Dropper post 319 suspension seat post for heavy riders 31.6 suspension seat post bike seat post suspension stizzy. Number 5, very exciting amusement park Waterpark equipment ride on bike water bird bicycle. As different countries have different import regulations and requests, before you making payment, you should contact your local customs to check if there are any requests for these products. If your customs have any requests for these products, please confirm you have the ability to do customs clearance. Make sure your customs will allow you to pick up goods when goods arriving at your seaport. Any delivery failure is caused by buyer's reason, the buyer must afford all the loss. Number 6, Factory Direct Selling Electric Remote Control Robot Smart Lawn Mower Multifunction Sloped 60-degree Grass Cutter. It is suitable for land reclamation and weeding in forestry, grassland, road greening, river embankment, flood control projects, agriculture and forestry, orchards, vegetables, greenhouses, farms, family vegetable gardens, etc. The packaging is sold well at home and abroad. Number 7, Smart App LED RGB Night Light Atmosphere Desk Lamp Alarm Clock Speaker Wireless Charger for iPhone Samsung Room Decor Desktop. It works for all phones that support wireless charging. Noted, for fast charging experience and use all function at the same time, please use QC 3.0 Power Adapter 2023 New LED App Control RGB Atmosphere Lamps Wireless Charger Night Light Digital Alarm Clock Speaker Children's Sleep Bedroom Decoration Description. Number 8, 2-in-1 UV LED Lamp Nail Dryers USB Rechargeable UV Light Lamp with 2060S Timer Mini Handheld Flashlight Pen for manicure. Note, due to the risk of product damage during transportation caused by paper box packaging, this product is packaged in an air column bag. Description, product name, nail lamp power, 3W baking type, phototherapy glue, nail polish, extension glue, etc. Material, metal. Product size, 2,187.7 centimeters. Product weight, about 170 g. Specifications, 1, nail dryer, comfortable eye contact, less burning sensation. 2, fast drying UV glue, extended glue LED glue. 3, light therapy machines won't make your hands dark or hurt. 4, not only for nails, but also for toes. 5, Suitable for home and professional use. Package included 1 nail lamp, 1 stand, 1 USB charger, 1 instruction manual, 1 silicone head notes. Due to manual measurement, there may be 1 to 2 cm error, please understand. Number 9, Proto ARK01 Bluetooth Split Keyboard with Wrist Rest Rechargeable Backlit Wireless Ergonomic Keyboard for Windows, Mac, Android. Scientific-based ergonomic design comes with a pillowed wrist rest, which offers 54% more wrist support and reduces wrist bending by 25%. The curved split keyframe design reduces muscle strain on your wrists and forearms, which works as a posture corrector and keeps hands, neck, and shoulders relaxed. Illuminated keyboard with gentle white LED backlight. The keyboard make it easy typing in dimmer light environment, allow you to work day and night without straining your eyes. The illuminated keyboard has 3 adjustable brightness levels, low, mid, high, off, to suit all your needs. Number 10, Yopo D Wet Wipes Machine Heater Insulation Baby Wipes Box Baby Thermostatic Portable Small Home Towel Warmer 220D18W. Related info. Wipes Machine Heater. D Wet Wipes Machine Heater is designed to be used as an airtight seal that keeps your baby's temperature free and warm. Towel Warmer. Keep your towels and robes dry and warm with this towel warmer. Use it as a blanket or bath towel warmer in your kitchen, living room, or bedroom. Number 11, 2X Cargo Luggage Strap Fastener Outdoor Hiking Fixed Buckle Lashing Belt Multifunction Quick Release Camping Fixed Buckle Rope. 2PCS Nylon Outdoor Cargo Lashing Strap Luggage Belt Multifunction Fastener Quick Release Camping Fixed Buckle Rope Feature. 1. Quick storage and convenient tightening to avoid messy and scattered items. 2. It can be connected and expanded, convenient to fix and tighten, firm and reliable, and bright colors. 3. Recyclable connection design, strong compatibility. No matter the size of the object, it can be easily tightened through the cyclic connection. Number 12, SAER Multifunction Foldable Level Meter 28-inch Multi-Angle Measurement Woodworking Tools Pipes Stairs Corners Folding Extend. High quality, multifunction foldable level is made of a high-quality aluminum profile processed by oxidation that avoids rust and eases scratching. ABS connectors and TPR end caps are the double armor for accidental drop and long-term storage. Widely application, this hinge level tool allows you to fold it to any angle to bypass obstacles and measure multiple angles simultaneously, such as for pipes, stairs and corners. Folding or extending to use are available. Number 13, for the number 5 kit number 2 model number K089 finishing, galvanized metal type, stainless steel feature, heat resistance material, metal tool type, other origin, mainland China type, tools Light 1, barbecue light LED Light 2, light grill Light 3, barbecue light magnetic Light 4, lamp battery for barbecue Light 5, barbecue lights Light 6, Weber grill accessories Light 7, barbecue accessories Light 8, skewers for shish kebab Light 9, lamp for barbecues Light 10, barbecue tools Light 11, grill accessories BBQ Light 12, outdoors grill for BBQ Light 13, barbecue grill for outdoor Light 14, grill accessories Light 15, Weber accessories Light 16, charcoal barbecue Light 17, barbecue accessories Light 18, Kamado barbecue accessories Light 19, barbecue grill Light. Number 14, Organizer Kitchen Storage Seasoning Box Seal Detachable Transparent Compartment Salt Chicken Essence Moisture Proof Box. Related search Orgabox Kitchen a box for in kitchen seasoning storage box compartment kitchen storage boxes for kitchen of items kitchen organizer containers seasoning box kitchen box for storage the kitchen storage boxes kitchen 20 kilograms box of kitchen box storage kitchen organizer box ranking keywords egg container for fridge pantry storage containers cereals plastic storage 25 pounds rice dispenser box for storage the kitchen Balenciaga dress this product belongs to home. Number 15, 7-in-1 Handheld Screwdriver Ballpoint Pen Tool Multifunction Measure Technical Ruler Screwdriver Touchscreen Stylus Spirit Level. 7-in-1 Multifunctional Pen. You will get one amazing multifunctional pen, stylus, bubble level, ruler, Phillips screwdriver, flathead screwdriver. Our multifunctional pens can be used anytime, anywhere. Writing refill smooth, durable and easy to install, ensuring the reusability of the pen. Designed for smooth writing, it gives you an extraordinary writing experience that you will appreciate and enjoy. You don't need to shop around for this refill. Number 16, Kula Mini Power Bank 5000 mAh Power Bank QC-PD Fast Charging for iPhone 14, 13, 12 Battery Extern Portable Charger for Samsung. Mini power bank for iPhone, power bank 5000 mAh, power bank 5000 mAh for Samsung, power bank 5000 mAh, 1 bank power 5000 mAh, 5000 mAh power bank type C, power bank 20W, 5000 mAh power bank type 5000 mAh power bank mini, 4000 mAh small power bank for iPhone mini, charge portable iPhone mini power bank, iOS ranking keywords, battery pack, fast mobile small power bank for iPhone. Power bank 60W mini portable charger with 10,000 mAh power bank, IKEA shoe chest. This product belongs to home. Number 17, multifunction universal saw blades set, oscillating quick release DeWalt for renovator woodworking DIY power tool 12-108 PCS set. Use a bimetal with fine HSS teeth for sheet metal up to 1.5 mm, aluminium profiles, copper pipes, also for fiberglass, reinforced plastic and other hard plastics, extremely precise cuts which are very easy to control with particularly thin cutting profile. Number 18, rechargeable smart LED touch control night light induction dimmer, intelligent bedside portable lamp, dimmable RGB color change. 1 PC bright night light intelligent touch night lamp, portable hook LED light lamp, colorful induction dimmer for table light lamp. This night light uses touch induction dimmer technology, has 3 brightness and RGB colorful light, can make convenient and color for your life. Features: light mode, after switching on, there are 3 level light, micro, medium, high, bright and RGB colorful light. You can switch them by touch the mode. Touch color bar, through touch the color bar, the lamp can change color. USB recharge. Number 19, car neck headrest pillow cushion seat support, head restraint seat pillow headrest neck travel sleeping cushion for kids, adults. Please make sure the car seat has a metal rod that can move up and down before purchase. The main lever of the 2-side headrest connection is adjustable from 2-inch to 7-inch. If you have any installation problems and quality issues, please feel free to contact us. Headrest is made of premium leather and thickened memory foam. Slow rebound, no odor, and is easy to clean. This car seat headrest is suitable for most car seats with metal poles. Make sure the width is between 2'7". Number 20, organizer kitchen storage seasoning box, seal detachable transparent compartment, salt, chicken essence, moisture proof box. The 4-grid seasoning box is made of high quality PP material, which is durable and has a long service life. 2. It can be used to hold a variety of condiments, pepper, sugar, salt, spices, cornstarch, etc. The transparent lid makes it easy to distinguish the different condiments in the condiment box, and comes with a condiment spoon. 3. The box can be separated and cleaned, which is more convenient and no need to worry. 4. It can hold different seasonings, store neatly, and have no peculiar smell. Material: food grade PP plus PS color, orange, green, white.